How to clear caches and cookies on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First launch Facebook app on your phone. Now you will land on this login page where you have to enter all your login credentials and tap login to sign in. Now tap profile or simply three-line menu icon at top right and then you have to scroll down. Tap setting in privacy and choose settings option. Now scroll down and under Preferences section, tap on Browser. At the top, you will see Cookies and Caches. Tap Clear next to it and then tap Clear button. And this will clear all your caches and cookies of Facebook. You can even exit from Facebook app and long press on Facebook and select App Info. Now tap on Storage Uses from this section and tap Clear Cache. These are basically two ways to clear cache and cookies on Facebook. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.